Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the audio settings within the Warframe game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Warframe game on your device, and once you open it up, proceed with logging in to your account by entering your email address and your password. Once you have entered your email address and your password to your account, you will be taken into the Warframe game, and this will start the intro mission. Now within this mission, if you wish to change any audio setting, just tap on the escape button within your keyboard, and now from the menu, click on options. From the options page, tap on the audio settings at the right side, and now you will have various different audio settings. You can swipe the sliders for each of the section all the way to the left if you wish to turn them off, and you can control the level based on the percentage indicator. Just choose your desired audio settings within this page, and you can also set your audio output device if you have multiple audio devices. If you scroll down, you will see advanced audio options where you can change various different settings such as hint transmissions, the reverb quality, as well as the voice options, which can be used to enable or disable voice chat. After making your desired changes, just tap on the confirm button, and now this will save your settings to your game, and your chosen settings will be applied onto your game right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your audio settings within the Warframe game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.